welcome back to the channel. My name is Erica. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome. I would love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and to join the family. So you guys, today is a super exciting day for me. So the family and I just got back from brunch and I was like, you know what? I am so ready to film this unboxing video because y'all, the Louis Vuitton hoops have been calling my name. And if I'm being completely honest, I have been eyeing this earring for like months now, you guys. And I finally decided to go ahead and bite the bullet and purchase a pair. The reason for my hesitation was because of the price point, right? So I had to swallow that pill and actually go ahead and finally make the purchase. But I was online one night and I said, you know what, Erica, you work hard and you deserve to treat yourself. So I decided to do just that. And so the ordering was seamless. After adding tax to the total retail price, the price of the earrings was close to $800, and I decided to go with the gold pair. So the shipping was really fast. I ordered, and it took maybe like 3 days for my order to arrive. And we do have a store here in Dallas, but for the convenience, and I just knew that I wouldn't have time to run on that side of town, I decided to go ahead and just make the purchase online. But so it came in just a regular, carton box, and this is what it looks like when you open up the package. And so it comes with, I haven't even opened up this envelope, so this is really a true unboxing. But it comes with, this is just a thank you card right here. And then it talks about the exchanges and returns. So you have that in there. And then it has the return shipping label if you decide that, this is not what you thought it was going to be. So that's what comes in here. And then they also sent the Louis Vuitton bag, the Louis Vuitton shopping bag. And so it looks like that. And that was really nice. So of course I'm going to hold on to that and just kind of like, decorate my closet with that. But then the main feature of this is the Louis Vuitton box itself as well. And this is what the where the earrings are actually housed. So you just take it and you open it up that way. And as you can see, when you open it up, it has this little pouch in here. And so little pouch looks like that. Super cute. So y'all, I am so excited for these earrings. I have been seeing all the girlies with them, and every time I see them, I'm like, I've got to have them because I am truly a hoop girl. And these right here, oh, y'all, look at these beauties. So that is what they look like, y'all. These are absolutely gorgeous. And I'm not wearing earrings on purpose because I wanted to try them on for you guys. So one of the things with this earring is that I wondered if it was going to be super heavy because they look kind of weighty to me. So I definitely want to try these on with you guys to see, first of all, how they look and how they feel actually in my ear. Oh my gosh, I love them so much, y'all. I definitely know that I'm going to go back and get the silver pair for sure. So let's get this situated. All right. Oh my goodness, y'all. These are absolutely gorgeous. I love them so much. And they feel like, yes, they have some weight to them, but it doesn't feel, unbearable or like, it's like pulling down on my earlobe too bad. So let me turn to the side here so y'all can see them. What do you guys think? I absolutely love them. I feel like these earrings are quite the statement piece. And yes, I absolutely love, love, love these earrings. So that is what they look like, y'all. I'm so happy with my purchase. I do feel like $800 was steep for these hoops, but they are, of course, you know, a designer luxury accessory piece. And so I'm definitely going to take care of them and all those things. So let me just see if there's anything else in here that I need to share with you guys. Let's see if it came with anything else that you need to know about. So, do you guys have the Louis Vuitton hoops? Like, have y'all, you know, made that purchase, and do you feel like it's worth it? I feel like these earrings will last for a long time. Like I said, I'm gonna take care of them to make sure that they do. But yeah, I absolutely love them. So I don't see anything else with the packaging, but these are the earrings, you guys, and I think they're just absolutely stunning. So let's see what they look like from this view. That way you guys can get a good look at them and decide for yourselves if you feel like they are worth, you know, worth the purchase. But I absolutely love them. I will be going back to get the silver pair. I'll probably do that maybe sometime in the spring. I will grab the silver pair because again, I just feel like they are such a classic statement piece, and it really does elevate your look, you know, just depending on what you're wearing. And yeah, y'all, I love them so much. So I do highly recommend them. I think that, you know, like I said, with the quality, the look of them, the feel of them, like they are on point, you guys. So yes, I'm so happy that I finally have them and I've added them to my collection. So yeah, you guys, that is it for my Louis Vuitton gold hoop earring unboxing. I'm so glad that you guys decided to join me today. Meet me in the comment section below and let me know what you guys think of the earrings, and if you would, you know, spend that type of price point on these type of earrings. It's not everybody's cup of tea, and some people are like, that's just crazy. I don't understand. But you know, again, I just felt like it was something that I wanted, and it wasn't an impulsive buy. I sat with this for a little bit before I decided to go ahead and make the purchase. So that is all that I have for y'all today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you all are having a great week, a great weekend whenever you are watching this, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care.